still hears the silence where his laughter used to be. Wakes up to the shadows of a love that couldn't breathe. She wears his memory gently like a locket on her chest. Still wonders if she missed some kind of sign he left. She learned to walk with sorrow hand in hand each day. Thought no one else could ever love her through that pain. But he waited for the rain, never tried to chase the storm. He just held her when the hurt came, never asked for more. He knew love was letting go and holding on the same, and slowly she believed again. He waited for the rain. She told him from the start she was a house of fragile glass, built on days too dark to count and nights too slow to pass. But he brought light and silence, not a single word too loud. And somehow she felt safe enough to break and not fall down. Grief doesn't disappear, it just learns where to live. But he gave her space to cry and still found ways to give. He waited for the rain, never tried to chase the storm. He just held her when the hurt came, never asked for more. He knew love was letting go and holding on the same, and slowly she believed again. He waited for the rain. Now there's laughter in the quiet, peace she never thought she'd find. She still misses what was lost, but now love walks beside. He waited for the rain, and now the sun breaks through the gray. She's not the girl she was back then, but she's stronger in this way. She still carries every memory, but she's found her life again. All because he waited. He waited for the rain. Love doesn't rush the broken, it listens through the pain. And sometimes healing happens when someone